Welcome to solverfy.
So here, let's look at a graph for a monopolist. Now we know that the profit maximizing level of quantity is going to be this point here at this quantity Q star. Okay. Now, if we move to a higher level of output, just a little bit, are there going to be consumers willing to pay more than the marginal cost for the new level of output? Right. So if we move this way, right, we know the marginal cost greater than marginal revenue, but can we find someone willing to pay more than marginal cost? So we know that we're making profit because we can charge people up to this point, which is a demand curve. The same thing happens if you're on this side, right? We can always find someone who's willing to pay more than the marginal cost of producing the product. Like we can find someone to pay all of this up until this point. Once we get to this point, then no, we can't find anyone who's going to pay higher than the marginal cost. But for this, yes, we're going to find a bunch of people who are willing to pay more than the marginal cost of making the product. However, we have to understand that the reason why we produce at this point and not these points here is going to be because this point is what maximizes our profits, right? We might be able to get positive profits from making some point here, but not as much as we would if we aim to produce at this level of output.